Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. All praise is for Allah, the creator of the heaven and the earth, the Lord of mercy, the sustainer of all lives, the one who deserves all love and devotion, the one who is beyond comprehension, whose wisdom and knowledge encompasses all things and whose mercy extends to every corner of the universe. I begin by sending mercy upon our beloved Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, the last messenger who taught us how to embody love and devotion towards Allah Almighty in the most perfect way. Honorable Sir, respected Chief Guest, and all the shining stars of Seagull Institute, Assalamu alaikum to one and all present here. I am very thankful to my most respectable Sir, Sir Sajid Murad, who is a mentor, a teacher, a passionate, a knowledgeable, a supportive, a great personality, and I think my words can't describe his character, who gave me the golden chance to stand here and express my thoughts on the topic, consistency is the key to success. Before sharing my ideas on this topic, I would like to start this speech with these beautiful lines that जब आँखों में अरमान लिया मंजिल को अपना मान लिया जब आँखों में अरमान लिया मंजिल को अपना मान लिया फिर मुश्किल क्या और आसा क्या बस ठान लिया तो ठान लिया राह संघर्ष की जो चलता है वही एक दिन दुनिया बदलता है जिसने रातों से है जंग जीती सूरज बनकर वही निकलता है Mr. President, today I want to share with you a secret that has been practiced by achievers throughout history. A secret that transforms ordinary into extraordinary, and a secret that separates the champions from the mediocres. That secret is consistency. Let us begin with a question that what's the difference between someone who dreams of success and someone who achieves it? The answer lies in the consistent efforts. The answer lies in the daily efforts that you put into your work. Talent might open the first door, luck might open the second, but it is consistency that unlocks all doors of success. Consistency is the bridge between goal setting and goal achieving. It's the difference between wanting something and actually getting it. Think about it. A single brick does not build a house, but 1,000 bricks laid consistently create a strong foundation. A single drop of water does not fill a bucket, but a steady stream of drops poured consistently fills it to the brim. A single workout session does not get you fit, but a consistent daily routine followed daily transforms your body. As in the middle of my speech, I would like to add some lines that कामयाबी की राह में ये राज है जो नहीं रुके वही कामयाब है यकीन से काम लो और लगन से जियो देखो एक दिन तुम्हें ये जहां मिलेगा Mr. President, consistency breeds habit, habit breeds discipline, and discipline breeds success. When we consistently work towards our goal, we build momentum, we cultivate a growth mindset, and we develop resilience. Consistency is not just about doing the same thing over and over without thinking. It's about putting daily effort into the work. Consistency is not just about doing the same thing over and over without thinking. It's about maintaining a clear direction and discipline when path gets tough, even when the results are not immediate, and even when it felt like no one is watching. Consistency is about putting this daily effort into your work. As Winston Churchill has emphasized, that success is not final, failure is not fatal, but it's the courage to continue that counts. As the poet has said that जो तू गिर गया तो क्या हुआ जो तू गिर गया तो क्या हुआ फिर उठ फिर चल यही है रास्ता Mr. President, never lose hope in the way of success. Yes, I believe getting success is not easy. We are not magicians. We can't get success by a pinch, but our consistent efforts lead to success. Our daily efforts that we put into the work lead to success. Never give up in life because consistency is not about perfection. It's about progress. It's about understanding that some days will be more productive than others, and that's okay. If we take a moment to think about any other individual, whether in business, sports, or any other art, they didn't get there because they had a single moment of brilliance. No, they got there because they consistently showed up even when they were not feeling inspired, even when the odds were against them, and even when it felt like no one was watching. They built their success one small step at a time, day by day and action by action. If we talk about the Usain Bolt, the fastest man on earth, he was trained for 4 years to run a race that lasted less than 10 seconds. He consistently worked towards his goal after setbacks and many injuries. Bolt's daily commitment to improvement paid off, earning him 8 Olympic gold medals. So, as I have already told you, that success is not about being perfect. It's obstacle for you. So, as the poet of East, Allama Muhammad Iqbal has written, खुदा तुझे किसी तूफान से आशिना कर दे कि तेरे हिजर की मौजों में इज़्तिराब नहीं, तुझे किताब से मुमकिन नहीं फराग कि तू किताब ख्वाह है मगर साहिब किताब नहीं. Mr. President, we all have dreams, we all have goals, but what sets apart those who achieve their aspirations from those who do not? The answer, I believe, is consistency. Consistency is what separates the leaders from the followers, the entrepreneurs from the employees, and the leaders from the bench warmers. Consistency is the only thing that can lead to success, that can lead to your growth. So always be consistent and work towards your goals consistently. Commit to consistency, rise with consistency. Before taking my place, I love to share a few lines with you that खुदी की परवरिश कर इस चमन में आशियाना बना, खुदी की परवरिश कर इस चमन में आशियाना बना, यही है तेरा फसाना, जमीन पे रहते हुए भी आसमान का पैमाना बना. थैंक यू.